Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a quick beard lineup today. As you can see here, I've got a little bit of regrowth happening, a little bit of stubble coming through. I'm just going to clean that up and show you how to clean it up with a straight razor. Got my Tomb45 the other day with the shave gel. Thought I'd give it a try. Why not film it? So I'm just going to dab on a bit. Get up in this hairline a little bit, bring it down here. Now I'm just going to do one side at a time. Pinky on the tang, whoa, pinky on the tang. Here we go, stretch the skin. Now I'm going to tell you guys, I've only just started using the straight razor, so I'm not the best with it yet. Look how easy that glides. Big fan of this product. Now up here is a little bit harder for me. Just gonna sketch it out just a little bit. Sometimes I do accidentally push my hairline back. Now I'm just going to fade this bit out later on. I'll do that in my own time. I will not do that on camera. Side in later. Alright, now for under the neck. I'm super sensitive under the neck, so we'll see how this goes. You get heaps of ingrown hairs and stuff under here. Just rub this in. Start from this side. Now I know you're meant to go with the grain, but I can't shave that way yet, so I'm going to go against it, just gently. Alright, I think that's done. Wash my razor off. I'm gonna wash this stuff off my neck. dry that off. Now I don't have an aftershave or anything, so I'm just going to pop a little bit more of this on. Apparently it has aloe vera in it. It's meant to stop rashing. Plus it smells good. Now I don't touch up anything around my mustache or anything. I haven't got that confident yet, but yeah, that's basically how you keep a nice sharp beard. Like you take it down to about 2 or so. Keep it nice and simple, just follow the jawline. And that's it. Next, I'm going to be using this. It's the Elegance face mask, but I think I'm going to save that for another video. So, it's the first time using Tomb45 shave gel. Recommend it with the Tomb45 razor. Can't remember what blades I'm using. I'm using high stainless, made in Japan. Fine, they're the sharpest disposable razors so far. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.